Gone are the days of checking couch cushions for loose coins. Today, we're diving into the world of Vivid Money, a mobile bank that gamifies your finances and puts your money to work. But before we jump in, have you ever felt stuck in a traditional bank rut? Paper statements, endless fees, and a feeling you're stuck in the past? Frustrated by the lack of growth on your savings? Who wants their hard-earned cash just sitting there losing value to inflation? Curious about investing but overwhelmed by the complexity? Wouldn't it be great if there was a way to invest effortlessly? If you answered yes to any of these, then Vivid Money might be the perfect fit for you. So, how exactly do you open a Vivid account and unlock the world of hassle-free banking and sneaky good investing? Here's your step-by-step guide to becoming a Vivid Money master. Step 1. Download the app, your gateway to a brighter financial future. First things first, ditch the bank branches. Vivid Money operates entirely through their sleek and user-friendly app. Head over to the App Store, iOS or Android, and search for Vivid Money. Downloading the app is completely free, and it only takes a few minutes to get started. Step 2. Sign up. It's like onboarding, but for your money. Once you've downloaded the app, you'll be greeted by a straightforward sign-up process. Enter your basic information like name, date of birth, and contact details. Vivid Money is super secure, so don't worry about your data. They use top-notch encryption to keep your finances safe. Step 3. Verification, a quick selfie for security. To comply with regulations and make sure it's really you opening the account, Vivid Money will ask you to complete a quick verification process. This usually involves the short video call where you'll show your ID, passport, or national ID card. It's a breeze and shouldn't take more than a few minutes. Step 4. Funding your Vivid account, time to fuel your financial engine. Now for the fun part, adding some cash to your shiny new Vivid account. You can easily transfer money from your existing bank account using a standard bank transfer. There are also options to top up using other methods, so check the app for the latest options. Step 5. Welcome to the Vivid Money family, time to explore. Congratulations! You've officially opened your Vivid Money account and unlocked a world of financial possibilities. Take some time to explore the app and familiarize yourself with the features. You can manage your budget, set spending goals, send and receive money instantly, and even create sub-accounts for different purposes. The magic of micro-investing, how Vivid makes your money work for you. Here's where Vivid Money truly sets itself apart. With their unique stock roundups feature, Vivid automatically rounds up your spare change on every purchase and uses it to invest in a fraction of a stock you choose. Imagine buying a coffee for $3.25, Vivid rounds it up to $4 and invests the extra 75 cents for you. Over time, these small investments can add up significantly, helping you grow your wealth without even realizing it. Vivid Money, more than just a bank account. Vivid Money isn't just about managing your money, it's about making your money work for you. With their innovative features, user-friendly app, and focus on making investing accessible, Vivid Money is a great option for anyone looking to break free from traditional banking and take control of their finances. So, what are you waiting for? Download the Vivid Money app today and unlock a world of financial possibilities. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy banking.